Come on, back to the wizard for one of the last steps in setting up the scorecard, assigning your roles. We have two ways of doing it. First, you can click in the box under each column in the objectives. From here, you can begin typing the name and it will autofill. Now, just click the name you were looking for and it's been added. Two quick tips. You can double-click the box and everyone under the company will show up, and from there, you can just scroll to find them. Second tip is roles aren't always specific to one person. You can have multiple people in the same objective role if it's more than one individual effort. The second way is more for people who have the same role on a lot of objectives. First, click the checkbox next to every objective you'd like to assign. Now, click the blue Assign button. From here, choose the role that's going to be filled and select the person you'd like to fill it with. Now, as soon as you click Assign, you're all done. Easy enough, right? Finish assigning your roles real quick. I'll see you in the final step, the review.